What's going on, everybody? It's Mike the Wolf Grant down here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson with a Dyno Certified bike. This is a 2015 V-Rod Muscle in black quartz. So during this Dyno certification process, we did invest a little bit over $1,000 into this. And again, that is your 20K service, your rear tire, the brake fluid flush, the Dyno certification process itself, that dyno testing. This is actually owned by our friend Andy. He bought this originally from us. We did all the services to it, and that includes your 1K, your 5K, all the way up until we just did the 20K service on it. It's about 24,000 miles. Now a V-Rod Muscle. Talk about some features of that. You have a 1250cc motor. You have a 5-speed transmission. It's a massive 240mm rear tire on the back to lay down that power. If you go into the front, you'll also notice you have dual disc front brakes. Obviously you have ABS on it as well. You do have security on it. You have inverter front forks. They are more performance oriented because the bike is more of a performance motorcycle from Harley-Davidson. Up in your hand grips, these are the 1.6-inch Willie G Skull hand grips. Nice beefier grip, so it allows you to just feel a little bit more in charge on the motorcycle. On this side, you do have an interesting skull and flame horn cover, and you also have a Vance & Hines slip-on system, which gives it a nice deep tone to it. Again, it is a member of our Dyno certified fleet. We back with a 90-day, 3,000-mile guarantee. Has been dyno tested, so we check them electrically, mechanically, make sure they're good to go. And again, if they aren't up to our standards, then we don't keep them. But this bike is good to go. We know all the history on the motorcycle, and it is definitely a nice machine, and we're ready to rock and roll. So if you have any questions, give us a shout. 802-476-6104. Thanks.